Geiger Corrections Center is reporting 6 inmates and 6 staff have tested positive for COVID-19. The Department of Corrections dashboard reports dozens of inmates have contracted the virus at Airway Heights Corrections Center.
My concerns are that they have pretty much put Russian roulette on their lives.
Toby Munson's girlfriend is an inmate at Geiger. She works in the laundry program. He's worried for her health at the facility, especially since she works with contaminated clothing and bedding.
2 of the inmates didn't even get masks while doing the laundry, and the people that bring it to them are in fully suited up, but all they get is a mask.
Spokane County operates the Geiger facility. Spokesperson Jared Webley told me all inmates working laundry are provided a mask and pair of gloves, as directed by the health department, and all staff are required to wear them. Some families believe not all inmates are provided a mask, but Webley explained to me since the start of the pandemic, inmates were only given masks during their 14 days of quarantine when they first arrived at the Geiger facility. Then they would receive a mask during transport, while on certain jobs, or moving to a different area.
When they're just in custody in their own housing module, they have not been provided masks on a daily basis up to this point. And that was just a combination of safety concerns, and the health district said that it wasn't necessary as long as those other protocols were met.
But starting Monday, in response to the outbreak, Webley says all Geiger inmates will be provided 1 mask per day, regardless of being in quarantine.
I miss my husband, so not being able to see him has been very, very difficult. And knowing that he could possibly get COVID inside the prison, knowing that, he wasn't sentenced to death is very scary for a lot of us.
Matlani Walker's husband is an inmate at Airway Heights Corrections Center. Yesterday, the Department of Corrections reported 62 inmates tested positive. We've made several attempts this week to clarify those numbers with the DOC and still have not heard back. Matlani is concerned about how the DOC is handling the outbreak at Airway. She says inmates are constantly being moved to different areas and ventilation is poor.
How do you think inmates there are contracting COVID-19?
It's 100% hands down is the employees of DOC. If the incarcerated population cannot leave the facility, they are in prison. So the only way that they can actually contract the COVID-19 is from someone who comes in from the outside.
We've repeatedly, for several days, asked the DOC to address concerns from these families and have not received a response. Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.